Hi everyone, welcome back. Got another video for you today. My name is John. I'm a AEC software consultant at Pentagon Solutions. Today we're going to look at one of the new features for Revit 2021, and that is the Slanted Wall Feature. Quick video just to show you kind of how it works. It's not the hardest thing in the world to use, and you get some cool effects from it as well. So I've gone ahead and just drawn a couple of walls in, some curved walls, and obviously just flush walls as well. So whenever we're doing this, we click on the desired wall, and over in our properties, you'll see that there's an option now for cross section. At the minute, it is set to vertical. I'm going to go ahead and change that to slanted. So we can now put in an angle. It goes from -90 to 90, so we can go whatever we want. Let's go with 30, see what we get. And that is quite a dramatic change in the wall. So you'll also notice that the windows and the door has stayed vertical. So let's bring that back a bit. Let's bring it back to about 10. Apply. Okay. So that works on our flush kind of straight wall. Do the same on our curved. I'll go for 10. Let's actually brought it in the way. If we want to change that, slant it opposite direction. We can throw a minus in there. And does that as well. So I say you can still, it works well. Doors and windows have remained vertical. We'll make this one slanted as well. Give that 10 minutes. Hit OK. So you can get some cool effects. Obviously this window now no longer kind of fits. Let's drag that over slightly. So what we can do now is click on our door. Nearly. And we can change it to also be under constraints orientation instead of vertical. Change it to be slanted. And apply, and it'll now follow the slant on the wall. I'll do the same for this. So I think it's a pretty good feature. And get some cool effects and some really nice designs from it. Windows again, we can deal with that. So anything that hosts in the wall can also go with it. Change one or two of these. Follows slant on the wall. So it's a nice feature. Quick kind of video for that today, just to show it off. I quite like it. I think it's pretty fun. But I hope you find that useful. I'm looking forward to seeing some really interesting designs popping up with this new feature. So don't forget to look out for more. We're going to be doing a few more tutorials or mini videos on what other new features have come with Revit 2021. There's some really cool stuff in there. So keep an eye out on the Twitter, on YouTube. Thank you very much for watching. Bye guys.